आज देश के साथ खुल रहे हैं उम्मीदों के पंख और अनबॉक्स हो रही हैं अनगिनत करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज। ये ही राइट टाइम है सक्सेस को अनलॉक करने का। 3 करोड़ से भी ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स के ट्रस्टेड लाइव कोर्सेज, मॉक टेस्ट और बेस्ट स्टडी मटेरियल के साथ ग्रेडअप की सही प्रेप विल हेल्प यू अचीव योर करियर गोल। व्हाट्स मोर, बाय अट्रैक्टिव डिस्काउंट अपने टारगेट कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के ग्रेडअप सुपर सब्सक्रिप्शन पर। Why wait? आज ही अपने ट्रस्टेड ग्रेडअप के साथ अपनी मोस्ट इफेक्टिव एग्जाम प्रेप शुरू करें।
So good evening everyone, this is Sonu Chauhan, one of the mentor on Gradeup. Before starting the session, I just want to confirm, is everything clear to you? Audio and video clear to all of you or not? Just write in the comment section so that I'll continue the session. Is audio and video clear to all of you or not? Just write in the comment section yes or no, so that we can start a very beautiful session of today, in which we are going to discuss what exactly we can expect from gate 22. Okay, because IIT Kharagpur is going to conduct the exam in gate 22 in 22, and already IIT Kharagpur has conducted the gate exam in 2000, 2006 and 2014. So from all over the analysis of gate conducted by the IIT Kharagpur, right now we are going to discuss each and everything regarding the gate 22. Okay, so just yes or no kahiye, say yes or no, or I'll start the session. Okay, so before starting the session, I just want to say one thing, my dear. एक बहुत important point है कि मेहनत का फल और समस्या का हल देर से ही सही, but मिलता जरूर है. If you do hard work, then definitely you will get the fruitful result of your hard work. Just maintain the patience, and definitely after a perfect time, you will get a very beautiful result what exactly you have done, right? Okay, so without wasting the time, let me start a very important topic, that what we can expect from IIT Kharagpur in gate 22. Okay, yes. Now, okay, before starting the topic, let me discuss about myself. Sonu Chauhan. I have the 9 years of teaching experience in GATE and EST domain. More than 15,000 students I have already mentored who are preparing for the GATE, ESC or ISRO like PSU. That is the reason. With the expense of the number of students, I can guide you in a perfect way कि आपका in next upcoming exam क्या आ सकता है. Okay, if I talk about the exam, what exactly I have qualified. I have qualified the GATE examination 4 times, ISRO as a scientist 2 times, NPCL, and after that GPSC class 2 officer and RRB. I have completed my master. Okay, Aditya, what can be? Yes, today is the session of mechanical. Definitely we will have a session of civil, you will get all the thing, but right now we are going to discuss each and everything about for the mechanical engineering only, right? So for the 10 to 5 minutes it will be a general session, but after that I'll come on the main topic that will be purely related to the mechanical engineering. Okay, area, if I talk about the area of interest, strength of material, thermal and engineering mechanics, these are the area of interest for mechanical engineer. Okay, sir, I am Gradeup Super. Very good, Saurabh. Okay, come back to the point. Yes, there are already 3 batch. Before starting the session, let me tell you each and everything about the Gradeup. There are 3 batch which are already running. Gate 22 English, Gate 22 Hindi, and there is a combination of Hindi and English batch, gate 23. If you want to join, because for 22 it is the perfect time to study, right? Okay, so if you want to join, you just can contact on this number. Okay, next. Yes, definitely there is a coupon you can apply. If you want to join right now, you will get the 50% off if you will just use this coupon unlock 50. That is completely related to unlock success. Okay, yes. Now come on the main point. Right now we are going to talk about the GATE exam which is going to conduct in 22. ओके, डोंट फील यार किसका ये अवंती का मैसेज है सर आई एम वेस्टेड, डोंट फील लाइक दिस. देयर आर 7 to 8 months वी आर गोइंग टू हैव फॉर गेट 22. एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड, फील करो इसको. देयर आर द नंबर ऑफ एग्जांपल जो मैं आपके सामने रख सकता हूं. इन द मंथ ऑफ जून और जुलाई दे स्टार्टेड इन 2017 or 18 and they got under 200-300 rank in gate mechanical. So 7 or 8 months are more than sufficient if you are very serious for your target. But exactly what fight you are going to or what battlefield you are going to face, you must know each and everything about that battlefield. That is the reason for today we are going to have that type of session. Okay, तो अगर आपको पता है कि gate 22 is conducted by the IIT Kharagpur, you must know each and everything, and that is the reason in that way you can plan your study, right? Number of questions will not be repeated, but exactly what pattern they were following and what type of question means more conceptual questions were asked in the previous year or more numerical questions were asked in the previous year. So you will get an exact idea what I have to focus, right? Okay, so if I'll say before 2000, because gate was starting before 90, but before 2000 IIT Kharagpur also conducted gate exam in 94 or 96, but again there is no meaning to discuss that part because before 2000 the syllabus was quite different because it was the written paper and total number of marks जो उस time पे पूछे जाते थे it was the 150 marks. Right now after 2008 complete scenario has been changed, so you will get a better idea in the year of 2014. But again why just number of question or why just analyzing these all the 3 year, you will get a idea कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, correct? So come back to the point. Okay. Ambati, I'll come back to the point now. So before 2018 or 2000 की बात करने आऊं, then in the year of 2000 total number of question was something like this. 25 was the objective of 1 marks, 25 was the objective of 2 marks, and 25 you have to solve 25 question and 5 marks each questions. ये आपका सिनेरियो था before 2008 and total number of जो marks होते थे it was 150, correct? So here I'll discuss only percentage. Paper set till 2011-12 there was only one paper set, correct? And if I talk about the question, then it was the objective and conventional. So my dear, right now we are going to write the objective and fill in the blank question. So I'll be more focused for 2000 and 2006 in these two parts. That is objective for 1 marks and objective for 2 marks. Okay. Similarly, you will feel the same scenario in 2006 also. Question type objective and also conventional. Okay. Now, and after 2008 complete scenario was changed. It was 100 marks question. Practice set in 2004. Paper set in 2014 it was 4. Means can you imagine, ये वो टाइम रहा था आपका कि जब मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ पेपर सेट फॉर मैकेनिकल के हुए थे, एंड दिस वाज द ईयर व्हेन मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट हैव रिटन द गेट एग्जाम. ठीक है, जस्ट लाइक द सेशन. अगर चीजें सही चलने होंगी, इफ यू विल फील कि वी विल गेट समथिंग, देन जस्ट लाइक द सेशन एंड शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी स्टार्ट अगेन. क्वेश्चन टाइप्स की बात करने आओ तो इट इज प्योरली रिलेटेड टू ऑब्जेक्टिव. And don't feel nervous, my dear. If you have the 7 month, then 7 month more than enough. If you will plan your study in a sequential way, what exactly I am going to discuss. Okay, come back to the next point. Yes, this is the date. If you are going to write, any one of you are going to write the ESC exam, then these dates are very, very important. Like this, 7 July you must write the exam, 8 July you must write the mock test, okay, and 14 July. Come back to the next point. Yes, if you want to come back to the app session, then this is the app session which is running daily. Okay, you can just join, you can take the screenshot. Now come back to the gate 2000 analysis. If we talk about the analysis of gate 2000, then on the basis of 150 marks, the total is 150 marks, then you can feel that maximum weightage of the gate 2000. Good evening, good evening. Maximum weightage of gate 2000 was 44. So पहले मुझे ये बताने दो, in general what is the average weightage of each subject for mechanical engineering out of 70%. I'll discuss percentage. It is assumed in general so that you can relate what is the general assumption of gate percentage, subject by percentage in gate exam, and what number of percentage is asked for each subject in 2000, 2006 and 2014. Okay, in general it is assumed that maximum percentage of production is asked in gate exam, that is approximate 12 to 14%. If the percentage is something like this, then question is assumed this is the perfect level of question, because each subject is arranged in a very perfect way. Correct? Now after that, it is assumed that there must be the weightage of strength of material. It must be 10 to 13%, and then thermal, and after that strength of material, it must be 8 to 10%. Till now it is assumed. Okay, and then you need to consider. So if I talk after that, if I'll compare after this one, there is the production, this is 6 to 8% industrial, after the industrial tom, that is also 6 to 8%, and FM is also approximate 6 to 8%, and after that MD, this is assume 5 to 6%, HMT is also 4 to 6%, and yes, engineering mechanics, it is assumed 3 to 5%. So if the number of subject or percentage division is something like this, then it is assumed from 2012 till 2021. अभी तक ये माना जाता है कि अगर ये डिवीजन होता है, then it is the perfect way to be a question paper in mechanical engineering. Correct? So you need to assume, if you will compare 44 marks out of 150, but again you will not get a proper idea of this one, because in gate 2000 it was the number of question जिसमें आपको option मिलते थे. You can select either one or either two, so it is not a good idea. After that you can assume, or you can get a better idea for gate 2006. So if you will see the result of gate 2006 each subject, then you can feel this one. This is the subject asked in gate 2005. This is gate 2006. Okay, and this one is, yes, I'm coming back on the same topic, and this is gate 2007. Okay, so if you will feel, or if you will compare each and every subject, then suddenly engineering mechanics is 4 out of 150. Out of 150, again total number of marks was 150. It was the 4 marks, and again if you will focus on more weightage, then again this is the 44% out of 150. Again it will be approximate 30%. You can assume. Correct? Thermodynamic 14, and this is the fluid mechanics, and this one is the 21 marks related to theory of machine and vibration part. Both part are included in this case. Both part are included in this case out of 150. So you can focus that more weightage, more weightage must be related to the engineering, related to the manufacturing. Yes, it is already included, no problem. Most weightage must be included on the second part. This must be a thermodynamic, लेकिन थोड़ा सा part decrease हो चुका है. Correct ना? It must be related to 12 to 15%, but again this one is the 14 marks out of 150. Hardly you will consider, it is less than 10%. Correct? Okay, marks बढ़े कहाँ हैं? You can assume here theory of machine का suddenly part increase हो गया, and same thing, same scenario you will feel in 2014 also. When I discuss the 2014, you will feel suddenly the scenario of thermodynamic is reduced and theory of machine is increased. Even the manufacturing is approximately same. So let me discuss. You will get a better idea, and I'll discuss more on this topic. 2014 पे मुझे बहुत डिटेल में डिस्कस करना चाहिए, so that you will get the idea of 2014, because this is the main scenario. Because after 2012 मोर और लेस सिलेबस और पैटर्न आपका सेम ही है, सिर्फ एक ही बार आपका चेंज हुआ है, अदरवाइज सिलेबस इज क्वाइट सेम. करेक्ट? ओके. इन 2014 4 पेपर सेट were conducted, and here I have considered the average of all the 4 paper set. So if you will consider the thermodynamic, then in 2013 thermodynamic was 10 marks out of 100, 10 marks and 10 marks. Again, I think there is no issue with the thermodynamic. Now if you will come on this engineering mechanics, if you will come on this engineering HMT, then suddenly after 2013 suddenly HMT is going to decrease, and that is not a problem because right now the same question 4 to 5 marks is asked. Okay, so first of all you need to focus thermodynamic, second and third one is fluid mechanics. Again, not a big deal. Now the main change you will see here in this case, in year of 2014, as I have already discussed, theory of machine and vibration is a very, very important part of IIT Kharagpur. You can see in 2000, you can see in 2006, and you can feel in 2014, correct? Okay, and one more portion I'll just give you the important point. This is the engineering mechanics. Means engineering mechanics and vibration is quite more or less same part. मतलब अगर आपका engineering mechanics high होगा तो आपका most possibility है कि वहां पे theory of machine भी ज्यादा अच्छे आने वाला है because this is the same department. Okay, correct. Now on the second hand, if you will consider the production and industrial, so here I'll say there is no issue with the thermodynamic, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं पूछा गया. And one more important point I'll discuss, strength of material को कहा जाता है आपको, normally strength of material को कहा जाता है, it must be 8 to 10%, but in the year of 2014 you will feel it is 7 marks. In the previous case you will also feel that strength of material is somewhere here. Suddenly in 2006 it will be decreased from 14 marks to 12 marks. So again, and now most important point, come back to the here. So major portion you will focus on production, and you will see that is the industrial and production. So if you will compare these two part, so this will be a 11 marks and this will be a 9 marks. So this will be 20 marks, 20 marks. So can you feel that production marks is a little bit higher as compared to thermal, production and industrial. And second one is the theory of machine. More concern जो है वो theory of machine पे बार-बार questions repeat हुए हैं, right? So this is something like IIT Kharagpur जो in the previous case पूछा गया था. But after that few point I would like to add in this entire session, क्योंकि exactly आपको देखने आओ तो if any IIT is going to conduct the gate exam, then it is not a whole responsibility of that IIT that all the questions related to mechanical engineering will be set by the faculty of IIT Kharagpur. It's not like this. If any IIT will conduct the exam, then professor of all the IIT will set the question paper, right? तो ऐसा नहीं है. बट हाँ, एक पॉइंट आपको जरूर फोकस करना चाहिए. व्हाट इज द लेवल ऑफ क्वेश्चन can be asked in gate 22 if you will just analyze the gate 2014 and gate 2016, correct? What I mean to say level of question, because you can say the level of question is directly, if it is the hard question then it will be the hard for all of the student, and if it is the easy question then it will be easy for all of them. But again, it is not like this. If I'll divide my question in two ways. First one, there are few questions which can be solved by the formula directly, and there are few questions which will be solved by the formula plus something. To solve that type of problem, all of you must know extra thing other than formula, correct? When you know in gate 2022 number of things will be asked other than formula, then it is responsibility to solve the number of questions from reference book. And when you know only formula based question will be asked, then it will be very easy to write the test series and to write the previous year question and to do the more and more practice. So this is the main point I want to discuss here. The level of question which were asked in GATE IIT Kharagpur, level जरा check कर लेते हैं. Yes, come back to the point. If I talk about the valence in all the set, so you need to focus one point. At least two set right now. Two set of mechanical engineer are there for gate 22. You all know. So in this, number of student in previous years complain. क्या कंप्लेन कर सकते हैं सर? इन वन सेट number of paper, number of question of production were very very high and number of question of thermodynamic बहुत लो थे. But even in set 2 number of question of production were very low and number of thermodynamic they complain like this. But if you will just check all the 3 year, not 3 year, only 2014, because in 2006 and 2000 there was no scenario of paper set. So if you will compare 2014 paper set, then you will feel it was perfectly balanced paper in all the 4 set. Can you imagine? There were the 4 number of paper set. There were 4 number of paper set, and if you will compare the number of question and difficulties level of question in each set, it is approximate same. If you will see the last scenario of this GATE 2014, then this is the average of paper 1, 2, 3 and 4 in thermal. But if you will see each and every paper of thermodynamic, paper set of thermodynamic, then you will feel approximate same number of questions were asked in GATE 2014. It is not like 2019 and previous year, right? And second point, the level of difficulties in all the paper set was approximate same, and that is the reason in 2014 you will feel it was not so much gain or so much loss when it was the question of normalizing the marks. You can check that year of result. Okay, yes. Now after that I'll discuss level of difficulty in each questions one by one. I'll discuss in 1 marks problem, right? Level of question was easy to moderate, but again more focus was on conceptual question. Means when you will see GATE 2014 all the 4 set, then you will feel 1 marks question just like 2020 और 21 ऐसे नहीं था. क्या हुआ था उस ईयर में? 2014 का आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर देखने की जरूरत है. इन 2014 if there are 20 questions of 1 marks, then out of 20 questions approximate 12 to 13 क्वेश्चन were purely related to concept. मैं एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल आप सभी को देना चाह रहा हूं. यहां पे एक क्वेश्चन ये था, अगर आप किसी को पता नहीं आपने सॉल्व किया कि नहीं, there was a fluid mechanics question. When the fluid is running like this, then what is the point of flow separation? It was something like this, correct? एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन जो कॉन्सेप्चुअल थे वो ऐसे ही थे. बट होता क्या इन जनरल 1 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड, देन 1 मार्क्स इज इक्वल टू अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला एंड गेट द 1 मार्क्स. ये आप समझते हो तो एटलीस्ट आप ये एनालाइज कर सकते हो कि इफ यू आर गोइंग टू राइट द गेट एग्जाम 22, then definitely you must know each and every theory of entire of that topic. जो भी आपने टॉपिक पढ़ा है उसकी पूरे डिटेल में आपको थियरी क्लियर होनी चाहिए. इफ अ 1 पॉइंट इज मिसिंग, देन हो सकता है कि 1 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूले से ना आए. इफ यू विल स्टडी डिटेल, इफ यू विल स्टडी ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन डिटेल, देन एंड ओनली देन you can just take or you can just get 1 marks from IIT Kharagpur conducting IIT Kharagpur GATE exam. Are you getting my point? Any one of you? Are you getting or not? Say yes or no so that we can move forward. All of you? Okay. Vijay, I'm going to explain most of the thing. Whenever I'm going to discuss the technical thing, most of the thing I'm going to discuss in English only. Okay, no issue. Vijay, come back. So I think one marks question has been clear to all of you, that you have to study all the theoretical part, especially for production engineering, especially for fluid mechanics and thermodynamics. These topics you must know each and everything about all the theory of that particular topic if you are going to study any particular topic. Okay, first thing, correct, Harsh, very good. Second, now in second marks problem, in 2 marks problem, the level of each question was again easy to moderate, and I would like to add one thing here. It was the year of 2014, my dear, and just let me tell you, there were the number of students It was, I think in 2014, it was more than 2 lakh student. More than 2 lakh स्टूडेंट उस टाइम पे थे. सो यू कैन कंपेयर जानबूझ के आफ्टर 2014 ऐसे पेपर सेट किए जाते थे दैट लेवल ऑफ ईच क्वेश्चन इज इजी टू मॉडरेट, एंड सेम सिनेरियो you can feel in 2022. Again, for 2 marks of problem, you will get in 2 marks of problem, if I check each question of 2014 and 2016, then 70% of questions related to 2 marks, you will feel these questions were purely related to formula, correct, for 2 marks. But again, 30% of question you will get after applying the formula. You must know a very important topic or very important point related to that formula. You can feel at least 30% question were completely 30% question were completely tricky question. ठीक है, तो आप इसमें मान सकते हो कि this one 70% is this and approximate 25 is completely related to concept. So for this condition, for this 30%, I'll suggest you you have to solve few question, not all the question, few question from the exercise of reference book. You have a good time. अभी आपके पास ग्रेट टाइम बचा हुआ है, अप्रोक्सीमेट 7 months you have. So you can just at least per chapter you must try 7 to 8 question, numerical question only, numerical question from the reference book, or you will get a good quality of test series. Then it will be very beneficial for you. So I'll say, if you are preparing in any coaching, or you are going to study self study, then in both the condition, easily in 2022 conducting by gate exam, if your theoretical part is okay, then my dear 40 to 50 marks lana is not a big deal. Main fight jo hogi, that will be something like this, and approximate 7 to question related to 1 marks problem. 7 to question 1 marks problem, not 7 to 8, sorry, 5 to 6 1 marks problem के लिए you have to fight. It means 30% you have to fight for numerical question, and approximate 5 to 6 question related to pure theoretical or pure conceptual question you have to fight. So I hope you have got the idea कि exactly हमको क्या करना है. 1 marks problem के लिए आप ये मान के बैठ जाओ, you must understand that 1 marks problem is not directly related to formula based question. No, definitely you will get 2 to 4 questions that will be related to formula based, but most of the question conducted by IIT Kharagpur, you will see that is purely based on theoretical as well as conceptual question. Okay, so again, if I summarize these all the topic, अगर यहाँ से सारे points की summary करने हो, तो 1 point I'll say, you more focus on theory of machine and vibration. 1 point. Second, you should more focus on manufacturing, correct, manufacturing and industrial, I'll say. And third is also fluid mechanics, correct. In this sequence you should give the preference to all the subject. One thing. And second thing, let me discuss what is the meaning of this one, कि you should more focus on tone and vibration. It does not mean कि you start to study day and night only for theory of machine and forget the thermodynamics. No, it's not like this. Whenever you are going to write the test exam, then write at least 10 to 20% of more test related to theory of machine. Write at least 15 to 20% more test related to other subject of mechanical engineering. Otherwise you have to study all the subject in a proper way. Not like this, I'll main focus, I'll have a main focus on theory of machine and I forget the strength of material. It should not be like this. When I'll say you have to more focus on theory of machine, it means you have to solve the number of quality question related to theory of machine. If you will solve strength of material general question, then it will be okay, right? If you solve engineering mechanics general level question, then it is okay. But if you solve only general question of mechanical manufacturing engineering or last year question of manufacturing engineering, then it is not up to a limit. You have to fight much more as compared to other subject in theory of machine, manufacturing, fluid mechanics and thermodynamics. And again I would like to say one thing, my dear, to all of you, that on conceptual part your focus must be more as compared to other thing you are going to do. कॉन्सेप्चुअल आईआईटी खड़गपुर के लिए कॉन्सेप्चुअल पार्ट आपका बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए, बिकॉज 1 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन विल ऑलवेज मेक अ डिफरेंस फॉर योर रैंक. ओके, सो यस, दिस इज ऑल द थिंग रिगार्डिंग द गेट 22. एंड टुमारो at 5 p.m. just let me discuss. Tomorrow at 5 p.m. I am going to discuss subject wise question level, question of all the subject which were asked in gate 2000, gate 2006 and gate 2014 on your favorite app Gradeup. ये कल आपका 5 p.m. पे स्टार्ट होगा. And tomorrow I'll start with the strength of material. At least you will check, you can check tomorrow what is the level of strength of material question which were asked in gate 2000, 2006 and 2014. Tomorrow I'll discuss this entire thing on Gradeup app at 5 p.m. So from tomorrow I'll continue each and every subject so that at least you can feel what is the difference between these 3 years and other year of gate exam. Okay, conceptual and numerical exam, each and everything I'll discuss with you so that you will get the better idea, because this is the general idea of all the subject right now. Rakesh Kumar and Neeraj, ये general idea है. If you want a again detailed idea, then you will have a better understanding of each and every subject. And tomorrow I am going to also have a study plan. I and Dheeraj sir, we are going to start the study plan for next 200 days for a mechanical engineer also. And how can you start get preparation for 22. Tomorrow time आपको बता दिया जाएगा, correct? ये session है, definitely you can attend. And if anything you want to ask, feel free to ask anything. Write in the comment section. If anything is missing from my side, feel free to ask. Okay, Rakesh, definitely I'll discuss with the team and CS. The session like this in CS branch will also be arranged. Okay. So if you like the session, my dear, then just आप session को like करिए, share with your friend. Rakesh Kumar, share with your friend Neeraj. Okay. So if you have any question, just feel free to ask, my dear. Just like the session. Okay. Yes. Any question to all of you? किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है? These are the ranker and this. Just you have to wait for for next 2-3 minutes. अगर आपको ये frame motivate नहीं कर पाया ना, if you are not motivated with this frame, then nothing is going to motivate you. This is the last slide of the today lecture, but this frame is not going to motivate you. Then not a single slide or not a single thing is going to motivate you. Because if you see this framework, then you will feel one first rank is missing in this one. फर्स्ट रैंक यहाँ पे मिसिंग है. एंड शायद ये हो सकता है this photograph is waiting for you, but the point problem वही है, you will not be motivated from you here, because number of problem you can face the number of problem, but there is only one thing that can motivate you, that is the only dream to see the first on the page of any particular coaching. Number of coaching, उस दिन को याद करो when number of coaching will call you कि भाई इधर contact to us and start to give the interview for us, right now. एक अलग ही होगा, हर तरफ से कॉल आ रही होगी, and see the dream for that day. And definitely अगर आपने वो ड्रीम देखा ना, if all of you are going to see that particular dream कि यहाँ गेट 20 का रिजल्ट आ रहा होगा एंड नंबर ऑफ कोचिंग मुझे वेट कर रही होंगी मेरा इंटरव्यू के लिए, then definitely no one is going to stop you to get the top rank in gate 22. But point यही है, whatever I am going to discuss after 10 minutes, you forget all the thing and अपने नॉर्मल लाइफ में हो जाओगे. ये चीजें आपके दिन में डे एंड नाइट चलनी चाहिए. दिस थिंग मस्ट बी रन इन योर माइंड डे एंड नाइट। और अगेन अगर ये चीजें आपके माइंड में दिन एंड रात चल रही है ना भाई, मान के चलिए आप लोगों को नींद नहीं आने वाली है बॉस। बट पॉइंट यही है, आफ्टर 10 मिनट आप डायरेक्टली भूल जाओगे सारी चीजें। ओके, सो विद दिस एनर्जी लेवल, विद दिस डेडिकेशन, स्टार्ट टू फाइट फ्रॉम टुमारो। आज से फाइट करना स्टार्ट करो, कल तो बहुत दूर है। स्टार्ट टू फाइट। माधवन, गुड इवनिंग, गुड इवनिंग सर, कैन आई फॉलो दिस चैनल एज I am the 12th complete student? Please reply me. If you are going to plan the BTech, then definitely you can follow, because number of students who are going to prepare for other competitive exam or any government exam from first year, you can join. If you are planning for engineering, then you should follow this channel. Yes. Okay. Thank you all. Take care. Bye bye. With this dedication, start to fight for Gate 22. And definitely your result is waiting for you. Okay, thank you all. And at last, I just want to say one thing. Just keep this thing in the mind. Whatever you will do today, it will be completely, your result will be completely based on this. Whatever you will do today, the result will be completely based on this. Okay, thank you all. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you everyone. Yes, Archit, you can. Okay.